Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. 30 children were asked whether they have a cat or a dog. Of the 30 children, 5 have both a cat and a dog. 13 have a dog, so that means some of them can have a cat. 11 only have a cat. Complete the Venn diagram. So we can see that C and D are already drawn for us. 11 only have a cat, so we can write that here. 5 have both a cat and a dog, so we can write that here. However, 13 have a dog, and of those 13, 5 have a cat, so we can simply write 13 minus 5, that gives us 8. Now, we have a missing value here. We know that the total amount of children is given as 30. So if we simply add 11, 5, and 8 and subtract it from 30, we can then find our value. So 30 minus 11 minus 5 minus 8 gives us 6. So 6 children do not have a cat or a dog. One of the children is picked at random. Find the probability that this child has a dog. So we already have here 13 have a dog. So we can write here 13 over the total amount of children, which is 30. So we can write here 13 over 30. Write down the probability that this child does not have a dog and does not have a cat. We can already see here that 6 children do not have a dog or cat. So we can simply write 6 over 30. So over here, 6 over 30. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.